Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing one focused problem and one measurable outcome. This narrows choices and prevents overwhelm. Once chosen, learn the essential model types and why each fits certain tasks, not all. Install Python and a notebook now, and pull a small, clean dataset to iterate quickly. Make sure to version control experiments. Start with a simple baseline model to establish a performance floor. This gives context for improvements and avoids wasted complexity. You next prepare data meticulously. Clean, normalize, and split into train, validation, and test sets. This prevents leakage and ensures reliable evaluation. Train a simple model to validate the pipeline, then iterate with hyperparameter tuning and controlled experiments. Once results improve, scale training while monitoring latency and cost. Make sure to log metrics and use visualizations to compare runs. Transition gradually to larger models only when gains justify added compute and complexity. You finalize by deploying a minimal viable model via an API or lightweight container so users can test real behavior. Avoid premature scaling. Once live, monitor performance continuously. Watch for data drift, latency spikes, and unexpected errors, and collect user feedback for meaningful improvements. If things break, first roll back to a proven version, then inspect preprocessing and labels for issues. Retrain only after fixes. One key tip: automated tests for input validation catch most common failures before they.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.